Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to order a new credit card on the US Bank app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that your card is almost expiring and you need to order a new card. How do you actually go ahead and order a new card on the new US Bank app? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, you're first going to go ahead and log onto the app. Next, on the upper left-hand corner, you want to click on the hamburger icon. Next, click on Manage Cards. Then click on the credit card you want to go ahead and order a new card for. Now from here, you want to scroll down and then click on Order a New Card. Now once you've done so, that'll go ahead and order a new credit card for your US Bank card. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and order a new card on the US Bank app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.